Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Delivery, Customize Email Body and Subject, I'm going to show you how you can customize the information that automatically appears in the subject line and body of the emails that you send using the delivery function within Eclipse. To start off, I'm going to use the delivery function to email a bundle using the default email options. I'll go to production and delivery, and the file that I'm going to use as an example is called delivery sample. So I'm going to select that file, and in this example, I'm going to uncheck my print to paper options. I don't need to do that. However, I'm going to leave PDF, PDF multi-page, ASCII, and bundle checked, as well as the email option, and I'll hit deliver. And the bundle opens up automatically, and additionally, Thunderbird has opened up an email for me. And you see that the subject says files for delivery. The body of the email says the following files are attached to this email and lists the files that are attached. In this case, just the bundle. I'm going to close this email, and I'll close out of the bundle that opened up as well. If I go into Eclipse and to my file manager under Tools and then File Manager or Control F, you see that I do see my delivery sample file here with all of the files I've created. However, this is also where the settings for the email subject and body text come from. I'm going to click the Settings button at the top of the File Manager. And in the Job Manager Options box, you see that there's a line for email subject as well as email body text. And you can make this window bigger if you want to expand on this text and see it a little bit better. Additionally, this window is customizable, so I can choose Customize and increase the zoom to make it easier to read. This information can be customized in any way that you'd like. However, keep in mind that this information will be used for each of the files that you send via email using the delivery function. And so it may not be a good idea to put specific case information in this window. In this window, I can do something as simple as change the text that is here. If, for instance, I don't like the terminology files for delivery, I can change this to anything I'd like, such as transcript attach. And the same goes for the body of the email. I can customize both the subject and body to say whatever I'd like. I'll go ahead and press OK, and I'll close out of the File Manager and go back to Production, Delivery. I'll uncheck my physical prints again and press Deliver. And you see that now when the bundle and email open up, the email now has the changes to the subject and body text that I specified. However, you can do much more with this tool. If I open the transcript that I'm working with, you see that I do have a title page with form fields. If I go to Tools, Job Variables, you see that I have used form fields that use variables throughout this document. And I can use these same variables to automatically fill in information in my emails. So if I want the subject line to contain the witness name, I can use the variable wit name in the subject line. And this information will automatically pull from each job when you deliver it. I've reset my email options back to the default. And now that we've checked on the job variables for the job, we can use those in the subject of the email. And so I can change the subject again to anything that I'd like. However, this time I'm going to use some of the variables from my job. Here I've used wit name, which should give me the witness name, as well as date within curly brackets. These match the variables that I was able to see under Tools and Job Variables. However, I've placed them in curly brackets. And it is the curly brackets which will tell Eclipse to go and look for the job variable to fill in the appropriate information, which in this case will be the witness name as well as the date that the proceedings occurred. And this will be pulled directly from the blank fields within my document that I filled in. I'm going to press OK. I'll close out of the File Manager. And you see that my witness name is Smith-Smithson. And if I go down, my blank field that has the date has 7/22/2021. I'm going to go to Production, Delivery. And since I had the job open, I didn't have to select my job from the list. It simply added it to the Jobs to Deliver function. I'm going to uncheck my physical printouts once again and press deliver. My bundle is opened up, and in my email you see that this time the subject has changed to have the witness name as well as the date exactly as I specified using the job variables. You can use any of your job variables within the subject of the email by going to Tools, File Manager, Settings, and adding the variable within curly braces to the email subject default. You can use as many of them as you'd like. This can not only help make the delivery process more automatic so that you don't need to customize your email as much, it will help ensure that all of your information everywhere lines up and uses exactly the same information with the same format. You won't have your witness name capitalized or mixed-cased in different places, and your date won't be in one format or the other in different places if you use things like job variables to automatically fill in information like this. It'll make sure that you'll be able to consistently find information about this case, whether you're looking in Eclipse or your email. You can add as much or as little text to the body of the text of your email as you'd like as well. The job variables do not work in this field. However, you can make any other necessary customizations that you'd like to. Thank you so much for watching this video. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.